Aloha, this is your boy, the Hawaiian Fish Keeper. Now check it out. I just put together this 100-gallon DIY goldfish pond for my kids. Now before you add fish to a pond, you have to have the proper filtration. Guess who helped me out? POPOSOAP. Big shout out to POPOSOAP. I'm going to show you guys their awesome filter kit. It's an all-in-one. Check it out. All right, so here is the pump filter kit by POPOSOAP. Let's take it out of the box. I wanted something easy, convenient, and effective, and POPOSOAP's pump filter kit does it all. It's not big in size. It's only 13 inches long by 6.5 inches wide, and it's perfect for this little DIY goldfish pond. It has 4 latches on each 4 of the corners, which is easy to take off. Now, as soon as you open it up, everything's right inside. Look at everything you get inside the filter box. Now, let's start off with the filter pads. This is going to help filter the water. This is your mechanical filtration. You got a coarse and a fine filter pad, and then you get 20 bio balls. This is going to help colonize beneficial bacteria. All of those balls will sit inside the box. It comes with water fountain features, so you have a bunch of different attachments, and then it comes with this 660 gallon per hour pump that's going to sit inside the filter box. Now what's really cool is it comes with these straps, so you can strap it down and hold the pump in place. Not only that though, but it comes with suction cups too that you can suction to the bottom of the filter box. I also want to show you that maintenance on the pump is very easy. Slide that top off, you slide this off, you have your propeller in there, and you can actually clean out your filter without using any tools. Slide the cap on, twist that back on, and you're done, just like that. It also comes with a bunch of different size hose attachments, so if you wanted to run a hose from the pump, you can do that as well. Once we put our pump in the center of the box, we're going to go ahead and grab our straps and strap it into place. We're going to screw in our tube adapter to the top of the pump, and then we're going to add our bio balls into our box, and there's so much room you can also add more media in the box. I want to let you know there's a fixed cable slot on each side of the box so you can run your cable through, so it has a nice clean look. But not only that though, the cover can attach on top nice and flush. Okay, so now we're going to add our fine filter pad, and then on top of that our coarse filter pad. So this is going to actually filter out the big particles, and then whatever small particles gets through that, we have the fine filter pad to polish that water. Now that we got our cover on top, we just fasten the 4 latches on each 4 of the corners. Next up, we're going to apply our diverter valve with our tubing right on top. Really simple. Look how easy POPOSOAP makes this. And you have a control valve here on the side. You have a plus and a minus to control the water flow through the water fountain spout. So out of these 3, I think I'm going to pick this one first. Let's go ahead and put this one right on top. Really easy to do. And then let's go set it inside our pond. Right inside here, let it get filled up with some water. It'll sink to the bottom. Put it right here in the middle of our pond. And let's go ahead and plug her in and let the good times roll. We are rocking and rolling. I kind of love this little sprinkler head. Let me show you the other sprinkler head that they have. All right, we got this sprinkler head. Look at this one. And then we also have this one, kind of like a double decker. I actually like this one. Oh yeah, this is my favorite one here. Now let's go add some goldfish. All right, so we added our goldfish. You can see them swimming there, having a blast. This thing is working awesome. Not only is it filtering the water and keeping the water healthy, but it's also providing a lot of water agitation, aerating the water to keep the fish healthy and safe. As you can see over my shoulder here, the pond is looking absolutely awesome thanks to POPOSOAP, their all-in-one pump filter kit. I highly suggest you get one of these if you want to do a nice little DIY pond like I did here in the backyard. My kids are absolutely gonna love it. Thanks again, POPOSOAP, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care. Aloha.